Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details, please note that the link to purchase the Edgewater Parts 240457701 door closer cam at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This replacement part is designed specifically for Frigida refrigerators and fits a wide range of models including FRS, PLH, GLR, PLR, and more. If you own one of these models and are experiencing issues with your refrigerator door not closing properly, this cam is a reliable and affordable solution. The Edgewater Parts 240457701 door closer cam is compatible with several part numbers such as AP2116504 and PS430814, making it a versatile replacement option. It also replaces older parts like 240457702, 240328001, and 241550101, ensuring broad compatibility. This product is especially useful for restoring the proper function of your refrigerator door, which helps maintain the internal temperature and energy efficiency. One of the standout benefits of this door closer cam is its ease of installation. Many users report that it fits perfectly without requiring modifications, which is a huge plus for those who prefer DIY repairs. Additionally, the manufacturer offers a no-questions-asked refund policy within the warranty period, providing peace of mind if the product does not meet your expectations. On the downside, some users have noted that the door closer cam may wear out over time, especially in heavy-use environments, which could mean replacement might be necessary after a couple of years. Also, while it fits many Frigida models, it's important to double-check your refrigerator's model number to ensure compatibility before purchasing. Overall, the Edgewater Parts 240457701 door closer cam offers a practical and cost-effective solution for fixing door closing issues on compatible Frigida refrigerators. Don't forget, the link to get this product at a discounted rate is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out if you want to restore your fridge door's functionality without breaking the bank.